so bahai page group board chung JOWAI Diocese media. Lai SHIM BYNTA ke SAMLA ke JOWAI Diocese Catholic Youth Movement ha ke National Youth Conference ke pasan chung ke Indian Catholic Youth Movement ICYM ke bala pelong ha GUWAHATI ya ke ni ke National Youth Conference ke ban senesan ngilenter la sedang menta ke arpolai terik risau arcar arpolai ha ke bai Archbishop John Malachera Archbishop GUWAHATI la long inong kenyarang ba ban ikong san ha ke ni ke smith sedang jong ke ni ke National Youth Conference.
The 8 states in the northeast India, and there are 15 dioceses. 3 of them are archdioceses, and the total Catholic population in this region will come 18 lakhs plus. It is a growing church. We find new communities formed in one state or other in the northeast, and the fathers and sisters and the people here feel really proud because the Catholic states take ownership of the church, and every one of them is proud that they are a Catholic and they are called to be missionaries and good Catholics in this region. And we are all happy to have all of you from the